Going on, everyone? Welcome, Rabid here, and today we're taking a look at ViaBTC and the script algorithm. That is your Litecoin and Doge mining, and ViaBTC wants you to know, because they are the sponsor of today's video, that you can now mine up to 7 coins at the exact same time at no extra power cost. If you're unfamiliar about that, if you're used to GPU mining and you are dual mining, you're using the core base part of your GPU as well as the memory base on 2 separate algorithms, core for core-based coins, memory for memory-based coins, but you do lose hash rate on each algorithm and coin that you mine, and you're also using increased power. In this case, when it comes to merge mining and script, you're getting the exact same hash rate at no extra power cost across 7 coins. So here we can see Litecoin plus Doge, Bells, Lucky Coin, Peppy Coin, Junk Coin, and Dingo Coin are all being merge mined all together. Another nice big thing here is coming into probably the nicest dashboard I've ever seen for an ASIC miner. This is the Flu Miner, which is probably the best home miner for the script algorithm, as it's quiet and pretty nice and decent on the power consumption. But coming into here, it did have a recent upgrade on the firmware. Previously, it would only mine to like F2 pool or something. Now it looks like it does have more pool support, and ViaBTC is one of those. As you can see, my stratum here is litecoin.viabtc with the port 3333. And if you do want to try out ViaBTC, I will have a link down in the description. So coming into the pool right now, we can see for the past 24 hours in the profit range, the amount of Litecoin we got, our Dogecoin, and our Bells. Now let's just go into earnings and you can see exactly what's going on here. So you can see Litecoin profit, LTC, we got our Doge profit, we got Bells, Lucky, Peppy, Junk, and Dingo, and these are all being mined at the exact same time with no additional power costs and no loss of hash rate here. Obviously, Doge is where all the money is when it comes to script, but it is nice to get some of the other coins just in case they do see some type of pump moving on in the future. So let's just have a quick look at the current profitability with the Flu Miner here, and we can see about 5.26 gigahash is what we're getting. Here's our total profit for Litecoin. We're getting 0.00768 coins here. That works out to be about at $86.14 current price. The markets are kind of in shambles lately. Hopefully it does pick up in a nice bull cycle sometime this year. That makes out for a total profit of only 66 cents. Obviously, Litecoin isn't making too much. Let's jump in the Doge. This is where the money is. And we can see we got 30.23 Doge coins for a price of 0.1799. And just before I came onto ViaBTC, I was only getting about 28 coins here, which I guess looks like it here, 29, 26. So, you know, about the same amount of Doge is what I was seeing on Litecoin pool, but now we're also getting the other coins as well. But anyway, we got 30.23 coins here, and we are getting at about 17 cents here. That is $5.43 for the past 24 hours. Moving on to Bells coin here, it looks like we did get 0.062 coins, not very many, for a price of 21 cents. That was only 1 cent, not making too much, but we are at least getting it. Lucky coin here, we got 0.019 coins at 30 cents a coin. Obviously, that doesn't go decimal points is beyond it, so this is less than 1 cent here. Not looking too hot at this point. We got the Peppy profit. We did get 50.23 coins. Price per coin is only 0.000263. That is, you know, around the 1 cent mark there. We got the Junk coin. We got 0.29 in the past 24 hours at, you know, slightly over 3 cents per price. Again, it's less than 1 cent here. And Dingo profits, we got 27.1 coins, and the coin price is 0.00003914, and again less than 1 cent. So obviously the other coins don't really do much in terms of profitability. The major thing here is Dogecoin, but having that ability again is a nice boost just in case something happens with them other coins. Now, depending where you do live, if you utilize the CoinX exchange, then obviously this has a lot more benefits as well, as you get free withdrawals and everything straight to the exchange, as they are kind of linked together. ViaBTC and CoinX, they're all owned by the same entity in a way. Anyway, coming into the assets here, if you are just mining for daily profits, you want to get USDT or something, they have a nice simple convert feature feature right inside the pool that utilizes that CoinX exchange. So if we actually come into, let's just say Litecoin for an example, click that, we could do a quick swapper. Obviously, you do need to hit that minimum amount of 0.1 to 25 LTC is needed here, but you could swap that straight into USDT and then send that to your wallet or whatever you want to do. Coming back into the assets here, we can do this for any coin. We can try Bell's coin for an example here. Same thing, click on that, and then the straight conversion, you do need a minimum of 50 to 1,000 Bells max, and then you can convert that to USDT. But the point here is you can convert anything that you want to USDT if that's something you're doing and you just want straight daily profits. You don't have to go to an exchange and spend all those extra fees and time and things like that. You can do it all within the mining pool itself. So ViaBTC is looking like it is the top mining pool for Litecoin and the script algorithm. It offers multiple payout schemes like PPS Plus, PPLNS, as well as Solo. But keep in mind, last I heard, I do believe Solo does not solo mine the merged coins. It's only Litecoin and Doge, or maybe only Litecoin in general. I'm not 100% sure, but hopefully eventually they will add solo mode to all the coins, because it'd be nice to be soloing and hit possible have a chance for blocks on every single coin. But right now that is only available in PPLNS. So keep that in mind as well. But you do have various options that the pool does provide. So let me know your thoughts and opinions on the current situation of ViaBTC. Have you tried the mining pool for anything else in the past? They also got, as you can see, Bitcoin, BCH, we got XEC here, ETC, ZEC, a large amount of coins, Kaspa, Lithium, CKB, Dash, HNS, a lot of coins here. They do have pools available for. So if you never tried out ViaBTC for yourself, I will have a link down in the description for you guys to try. And if you have tried it, let me know your thoughts and opinions on your personal experience with the pool. I'll also have their contact information in the description in case you have any questions for the team themselves or maybe a feature you would like to be added. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one. Rabid out.